everybody. I am in the Bahamas for holidays and I thought I should do a very quick video for you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel, and today is just a very brief one about injunctive relief for spouses. What you can do to protect yourself before the end of the marriage. This is a two-way steps. Even though in the UK now, we all know we now have no court divorce. However, you still have to resolve your financial issues until there is an order which says that this is what you get. That lingers, and I strongly advise you not to leave that till to a later stage. So, when your name is on the property, sometimes your spouse has purchased the property before the marriage began. And so, how do you protect yourself before your spouses make the property? You go to the court. They can, without notice on application, which I've since found out judges don't do like that. It forces them. It's an order which usually your husband or wife are not allowed to sell any of the property. Not just physical properties, it could be jewelry, money in the bank, any assets not to be just gotten rid of until you have a financial order. This is usually for married couples. There's a different law that applies for non-married couples who have been cohabiting for quite some time. I will discuss that another time. And for today, yes, we also will assist you to treat any property not in the UK. Don't worry. Of course, the UK court does not have power to tell another jurisdiction to sell the property. What they can do is take that into account at the end of the marriage. The financial order, what you get. So, protect yourself. Don't let any of this spouse dissipate your property. And the only way you can do that is to make an application. But you must look for a divorce if you are married. If you haven't been for divorce, the judges don't have the power to make such orders. So they go hand in hand. You can either do both at the same time, and you should be quick on your feet. We're not really back to normal since the pandemic. We're still really struggling. So the court system, the admin staff, giving a divorce today, it may be another couple months down the line before you even get before the courts. So what that does, while the court is still before the family court decides on the marriage application, protecting yourself with the injunctive order.